Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, wheel covers, privacy glass, remote trunk release, FWD, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.